Unrest violence erupted in Manipur's Bishnupur district, leaving at least 21 civilians injured after clashes between protesters and security forces. The incident took place after a group of locals intercepted three private four-wheelers. The vehicles were carrying armed security personnel dressed in civil clothes. Suspicion quickly spread among residents. Rumors began circulating about the identity and purpose of those inside the vehicles. According to police, these rumors were mischievous and unverified. However, they triggered panic and anger among locals. A large mob gathered at the spot. The crowd stopped the vehicles and blocked the movement of the security team. Tensions escalated rapidly. Some members of the crowd turned violent. They began attacking the vehicles. Two of the three vehicles were badly damaged and later set on fire. Some locals alleged that the vehicles were carrying Kuki-armed militants in civilian attire. These claims further fueled the unrest. The situation soon went out of control. Multiple teams from Manipur police rushed to the area. Security forces tried to disperse the crowd. However, protesters resisted. This led to direct clash between the two sides. During the confrontation, at least 21 protesters suffered minor injuries. Police confirmed that the injured were given medical attention. No major casualties were reported. Authorities also took action against those involved in the violence. At least 5 protesters were arrested in the connection with the incident. Police said more arrests could follow as the investigation continues. The administration moved quickly to prevent further escalation. The district magistrate imposed prohibitory orders in the area. The restrictions were enforced under the Section 163 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. Under this orders, movement of people has been restricted. Public gatherings have also been banned until further notice. Officials said the step was necessary to maintain law and order. Security personnel in Bishnupur has been increased. Additional forces have been deployed in sensitive areas. Authorities are closely monitoring the situation. The region remains tense. Officials feared that rumors could trigger more unrest. Residents have been urged to stay calm and not believe unverified information. Police have appealed to the public to cooperate with authorities. They have also warned of strict action against those spreading rumors or engaging in violence. The situation is currently under control but fragile. Authorities continue to maintain a strong vigil to prevent any fresh flare up in the district. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.